Wait. Wow. This video is a trip because, to be honest, if you really sit back, you'll notice certain things that you actually brought into fruition and manifested. The craziest thing is some of y'all actually have manifested your own partners, right? Had dreams about this person before y'all actually met, or had this ideal person in your head since high school, since middle school, and manifested and found out that this person actually has been absolutely in love with you since forever. And now y'all are talking. You probably manifested your furniture to look a certain way. But because the universe did not want it to go into your apartment or other places you stayed in, you didn't get the furniture. But now that you're in the house that you want to be in, it's funny how it's coming together the way that you want it to look like, right? The mere fact that a lot of y'all are manifesting new cars and don't even know that you've been manifesting it for like forever. Speaking things into existence is very important and very key to manifest certain things. You just got to be prepared to be ready to take on certain things. A lot of y'all don't practice gratitude worth a damn. Meaning, have y'all ever sat back and really said, thank you, Spirit, for introducing me to the person that is bringing me purpose, my spouse? And you should thank Mother Oshun and Orunmila and everybody else or whoever you give thanks. Have you ever said, thank you, Spirit, for giving me the abundance? Nope. A lot of y'all just go around here thinking y'all just did what y'all did. Have you ever said, thank you, Spirit, for allowing me to have this place, to get out of certain situations, to have a roof over my head, clothes on my back, shoes on my feet, and food to eat? No, y'all just going through the motion. The point still remains, right? Y'all are manifesting stuff and not even be prepared. Instead of complaining about, oh, this is an extra bill, try this. I am so grateful to be able to take care of everything that I have, even if it means the last penny.